It is Sunday, August 17th. We're here at the range in Paula. We are going to shoot a PRS style rimfire match. It's a club match, not a points match. Should be a 7-stage match today. Should be good weather. It's cooling down here in SoCal. It was pretty much high 90s, hit 100 for one day, I think, last week or the week prior, and so we started cooling down again. We're probably mid 80s, low 80s, and it's going to be probably low 80s until next Thursday or so when it's going to heat back up again. So we'll enjoy it while it lasts. Anyway, just threw a bunch of stuff in the Jeep, and then hopefully I have everything, and we'll see how it goes today. One piece of gear we may try out today is this. This is the Garmin Foretrex 901. Actually had this for a few months now. I just never really talked about it, never really brought it out and played with it at the range. But Foretrex 901 is basically a kind of deal that you mount to your wrist. It's just a GPS navigator, which I don't really care to use. However, it does have applied ballistics built into it, so you can have like a range card or data card on your wrist. It does tie into the Vector X's, as it does have applied ballistics, and so I've already tested it kind of at home with the Vector X and running a target card, lasing the target, and it transfers the data to the Foretrex. We'll try it out, see how it works. There's some nuances with it, but I'll have to talk about that in a future vlog, in a future video, in a future article, because the way applied ballistics works and with how the ecosystem works, only certain data will go from one device to another device, and you can only have one device connected to another device at the same time. Like, you can't have multiple devices connected to like this. It only will accept the applied ballistics data from one device at a time. So it's kind of weird on how the ecosystem works, and it's kind of one of my criticisms about AB. The protocol needs to be improved a little bit, but I don't think they really anticipated there would be this many devices and how all this stuff works together, that you would have multiple data flows, how it would say, kind of like networking. Like, you don't really have multiple flows across this protocol, so they probably never engineered that for this. So hopefully they can improve that, but we'll try this out today.
Any questions from anyone? All right, be safe and have lots of fun. I got the easy ups kind of to step out of the sun, get out of the sun for a little while. There's an ice chest with waters there. I'll try to keep it stocked. All right.
At the end, Mark, too, Santa brought stuff for root beer floats for everyone. So.
Oh, wow.
Ice cream and cold root beers.
All right, that's worth sticking around for. That's awesome. All right, have fun, everybody.
Thank you. Water ready. Stand by.
Impact.
Barely, huh?
Impact.
Probably should help if I just go first.
Impact. Impact.
Back.
Impact. Impact.
Over the top to the right.
Impact.
That was stupid.
Shot one.
Yep. Now shooter's ready.
Spotters ready. Stand by.
Make sure I got all 3 targets. There you go.
Impact. Impact. Impact.
Oh shoot. Almost came off. Oh, that wind shifted.
Impact. 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 Impact.
Drop 3.
Yes.
Stand by.
I have no idea, babe.
Last time we talked about it,
Yeah, I just didn't text it because it was during the week.
Impact.
You're going next Sunday, right? Western?
yes.
Impact.
I should have my voodoo back. It's a new color.
Impact.
Aztec teal.
Impact.
Bipod legs are too low. Oh, that wind shifted again? Are you kidding me? It let off.
Impact. Impact.
Picked up again.
Impact.
Mag change. One, two, three, four.
Regardless, you're the only one that's hit KYL the first time.
Impact.
You know, it was cool. But that was just
Impact.
a week though. Even my daughter.
How much? How much?
She had a blast.
It's a cool little range.
Impact.
It's cool, dude.
It's cool.
Cause
Stronger.
it's not long, but at least you go.
Impact.
What is your wind hold?
Shot one.
About 2-3 tenths.
That's
Right.
That's
Yes.
the only thing.
Shooter standby.
Impact. Impact.
Do you have to hold any wind to draw you? Any wind?
Impact.
I pulled that one.
Impact. did I drop those two?
91, 98. Stand by.
Let's figure out where this wind is at first.
Impact. Impact.
Me and you bought our guns at the same time.
May just shoot all that off first.
Impact.
No, because that barrel shoots good. I know for me and you, it's the
Impact.
balance. Because like Mark's gun, for example, it shoots really good. It's just his balance is fine without it, but we need it.
Yeah, I was gonna get a tuner.
Impact. You see that?
I don't know.
I don't want to stick a bunch more weight. That sound like an impact. Doesn't?
Impact. Impact.
Full weak side would be your left hand as well. Pull the trigger. See how you're doing?
Impact.
Oh, that's right.
You're like, you look
We
slow.
call it normal.
Impact.
There's so much movement if there's no tripod. Just put it all the way back.
Wind change directions. I was
Damn.
debating on holding left.
Start off his left hand.
Stand by.
He's very good with his hand, so it's like, or to catch him off guard, he's always
Find it on too close.
impact.
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 Impact. Impact. Yeah, baby.
I should have done
Jeez,
this.
right at the
Way-
buzzer.
way to
Don't
finish
finish
up.
him. Right at the buzzer. Got you for 7.
You know, the most important thing was
Impact. Impact.
and then once Will missed one, dude, you know Jose's laugh. It was just
Yeah, I know. That devious little snicker
the
laugh.
snicker laugh, yeah. And then Will
I was just gonna
like
wander out there and I was like, wait a minute.
left shooting at the wrong target.
Fucking dip right.
Impact. Impact.
I know.
Your stage was hard. But
Dad, did you already go?
Yeah.
Fucking nuts, dude. Never had one catch me off guard.
Impact.
But I had always seen
Impact.
Little bag, or do you want the heavy bag? Which bag do you want?
Impact.
and I literally looked.
Impact.
Thank you.
Stand by.
Just parallax here. Should have held straight up. Should have held straight up. You didn't need the wind.
You just dropped that one. Good shooting.
Recording a quick outro. I need to get home and get something to eat or drink. Definitely something to drink on the way home. But anyway, scored second place for the match, dropped 2 points. I shot a very casual match today. And if I really put in the effort, I could have saved and got first place. For sure, the tiebreaker stage, had I done tripod rear instead of single bagging it, I would have definitely cleaned that stage. I should have done, I was just being stubborn. So, should have went tripod rear, that would have got me the 2 points because I lost first place by 2 points. And the wind shifts on a couple of the stages. Had I, at least one stage, I dropped around because I saw the wind had kind of changed and I was about to break the shot and I'm thinking, man, should I just hold straight up? And I said, nah, let me just keep it with my regular hold, and I missed it off to the right. So if I held straight up, that would have got me a point there. And if I'd done better wind calls during my stages and the previous ones, I would have gotten, saved more points there. But it is what it is, right? I mean, you get what you put into it. If you don't put more effort, you're not going to get more out of it. So anyway, I still scored second place, so it's cool there. Anyway, today was a good day as far as shooting, though. It wasn't very hot. If you're sitting in the sun, it's warm, but other than that, it's not terrible. We had some easy ups, so it helped make it easier on us. But it's a very cool day in Southern California for August. Anyway, my next match, the West End Gun Club NRL 22 match, is this upcoming Sunday. So if you're in the area, definitely come on out. I can't even tell you what. It's the 24th. Today is the 17th. So next week is our match. So I'm going to put the link to our match in the video description. If you're in the area, come on and check it out. Come on out and check it out. And but that's pretty much it. I'm going to drive home. So today is Sunday, August 17th here in Paula. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next vlog.